Get fluent fast with these 20 essential English phrases for smooth conversations. Hey everyone, welcome to Business English Success Strategies, a part of mastering English communication. Have you ever been in a conversation where you didn't know what to say next? It can be frustrating when you want to express yourself but have a limited vocabulary, right? You freeze up, your mind goes blank, and you feel that familiar wave of self-doubt creeping in. But guess what? You're not alone. Often it's those little phrases that native speakers use all the time that can make all the difference in how confident you sound. But here's the thing. With so many phrases to learn, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. So, that's precisely what we will tackle in this lesson. 20 essential English phrases that will help you quickly navigate even the most challenging conversations. Let's dive in. How's it going? This is your go-to conversation starter. I'm so down for that. This shows enthusiasm and agreement. Can I get a ride? Perfect for those times you need a lift. That's a great point. Show you're engaged and listening. Let's catch up soon. End conversations on a high note. I'm not sure I understand. Don't be afraid to ask for clarification. That sounds amazing. Show your enthusiasm and interest. Can you repeat that? It's okay to ask someone to repeat. I'm passionate about. Share your passions and interests. Do you mind if I? This phrase is a polite way to ask for permission. It's useful in many situations where you want to be considerate of others' feelings or preferences. That makes sense. Use this phrase to acknowledge understanding in a conversation. It shows that you are following along and that the information provided is clear to you. If you find this content useful, please like the video. Thank you. I'm not a fan of. This is a gentle way to express your dislikes politely. It's a good way to communicate your preferences without sounding harsh or negative. Let me get back to you. Buy yourself some time to think. That's cool, a casual way to show interest. Do you have any advice? Seek guidance from others? That's so kind of you. Expressing gratitude and appreciation is a wonderful way to connect with others. I'm looking forward to it. Showing excitement for future plans can really brighten someone's day. That's a great idea. Acknowledge and validate suggestions. Can you explain that again? Ask for further clarification. It was great catching up with you. End conversations warmly. Keep practicing those phrases. So there you have it, 20 essential English phrases that will help you quickly navigate even the most challenging conversations. Remember, the key to fluent conversations is practice, practice, practice. So be sure to try these phrases in your daily interactions. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Most importantly, have fun with it. Learning a language is all about enjoying the process and connecting with others. Check out our other video lessons on up-leveling your business English to learn more phrases and improve your English skills. It's packed with even more tips and phrases to help you take your English to the next level. So, what's been the most challenging conversation you've had recently? Share your experiences in the comments below. We love hearing from you and are always here to help you on your English learning journey. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.